History write-up said this was an old nunnery. This whole area was set for like a monastery for nuns. So we have different elements from different time periods, different stones, different graves. There's not really, at least I haven't found a good write-up on all these different artifacts in the yard. Or even like, it says over there, no entry, so this must be part of their building complex, and that must be part of the monastery there in the back, which is some residency, looks like. I love this little crosses here. Cross right there, and then a cross up there. And the yard looks like an old milling, like a big pestle, possibly. And I think over here you'll see some. There's another spring. Remaining stones. Beautiful yard. Birds singing away. So next to this abandoned building is the Jvaris Mama church we're going to look at next. Okay. On the side you have Jesus on the cross. It says Jesus the Christ, something in Georgian up on top. Beautiful yard. Former nunnery, monastery area. So you can see, I'm going to go here on the right side, I'm going to go inside the building.